So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create or access a Google Play Store account. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Google Play Store application on your device. Go ahead and click on Get Started option. Now click on I'm in. Sometimes you might see a sign in option. You can tap on it even if you do not have an account yet, as the Google Play Store uses a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign in. So click on View option from the bottom right corner. And if you do not have an account yet, you can also go ahead and create a new account. Here, click on Switch Account option and you'll get the list of number of Google accounts that is logged into your account. Here, click on Add Another Account. Then click on Create Account option, select for my personal use. And next, enter your name or surname, which is optional. And now enter your birth date. Then select your gender and select Next from the bottom. You can create an email address by yourself, or you can also select one from the suggested ones. Now, create a password for your account. You can also enter a recovery contact email if you want, otherwise you can click on Skip. Now click on Next, scroll all the way down and click on I agree. And after reviewing your setting, you'll see a welcome to Google Play message and you can begin downloading apps. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.